Happy morning, my dear children. Welcome to Elga online class. Today we have to cover Unit 7 and Day 3. All the time while you are attending the online class, make sure that you have student reader, workbook, pencil, eraser along with you. Shall we go to the class, my dear children? Yes. First of all, we will learn about the phonic section. Shall we go to the class? Yes, listen to the board, my dear children. See this, my dear children. This word made up of 3 sounds. What are that? Do you know that? Yes. Beginning sound, middle sound, end sound. Do you know that? Yes. Beginning, middle and end sound. So, ha is the beginning sound. E is a middle sound. P is a end sound. So, shall we read this word? Hip, hip, hip. Now, I will show once again another word, okay? See this, this word also made up of 3 sounds. Beginning sound, middle sound and end sound. B is a beginning sound. E is a middle sound. Then in is a end sound. In, bin. So, are you clear, my dear children, from this 3-letter word? Yes, it has a beginning, middle and end sounds, right? Yes. Do you understand, my dear children? Now, you will take your SR book, page number 51, SR 8, word families. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you and all opened your SR book. See this, my dear children. This is the SR 8, page number 51, word family. If word family. Once again, if word family. From this, I will say one letter and after we will read this word. In your home, you will use your left hand, okay? You will read this word, okay? Yes. If word family. Ha, ip, hip. Ha, ip, hip. Next, lip, lip. Lip, lip. Tip, tip. Tip, tip. Next, zip. Next, one more example. Some more examples. Nip, nip. Nip. Next, rib. Zip. Now, once again, I will read this word. You also read along with me. After that, what you have to do? You will use your left hands. Right? Hip. Hip, lip, lip, tip, tip, zip, zip, nip, nip, rib, rib, sieve. Now take the next page, my dear children. Next, in word family. In word family. I will read this beginning, middle and end sound words. In, bin, bin. In, fin, in, fin. In, din, in, din. In, pin, in, sin. In win, in kin. Once again, bin. You also keep your fingers, my dear children. Bin, fin, great, my dear children. So you will read these words in your home. You will practice this like, okay? Yes. Yeah, great, my dear children. Now shall we do one worksheet from this related phonics session? Yeah, great. Now you will take your workbook, page number 54, question number 2. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you and all opened your workbook. Yeah, great, my dear children. This is the worksheet number 3, question number 2, letter sounds. Circle the words with the ending sound you hear. From this second question A and B we will do. I will say a N sound, okay? Just you have to hear, listen and hear which word has a N sound, that letter, okay? Now you have to listen carefully. Second question A. Here having 4 words, 3-letter words. I will say the N sound. Listen. In. Did you hear that, my dear children? So from this 4, which has a N sound? In. Which word has a N sound? In. Yeah, great, my dear children. Sin and pan. So you have to circle these 2 words, right? Next, B question. Are you ready? Yes. P. Can you guess the answer? Yes. Which word has a N sound? P. Yeah, zip and nip. So you have to circle these 2 words. See this, my dear children. This is the N sound you hear. Finished. Next, third question. Circle the words with the middle sound you hear. Which one? Middle sound you hear. Middle sound means center. Here having a 3-letter word. Middle sound means this is the beginning sound. Second one is the middle sound. Third one is the end sound, right? Now I will say the middle sound. You have to identify that word. After that you have to circle the word. Are you ready, my dear children? Yes. A question. Yeah, which word has a middle sound? E? Great, my dear children. Dip and wick. These 2 words have a middle sound E. So we have to circle these 2 words. Next, B question. Shall I say now? Are you ready? Which word has that middle sound A? Yeah, 10 and men. 10 and men. So you have to circle these 2 words. Next, circle the words with the beginning sound you hear. Beginning sound means what? Yeah, first letter, first sound for every word. That is a beginning sound. Shall I say now? Are you ready? Yes. See the first question. Ha. Yeah, which word has the beginning sound ha? Yes. For a hen and hip. So you have to circle these 2 words, right? Next, shall we say that? Yes. Can you guess the answer? Yes. Fan, fin. This word has a beginning sound fu. So you have to circle this 2. Yeah, great, my dear children. So from your home, you will complete this worksheet neatly, my dear children. So you have to just identify the 3-letter words which has a beginning, middle and end sound. Do you understand, my dear children? Yes. Next, I will teach you a whole words. Past 2 days, we learned 10 new whole words, right? Today, shall we recap that whole words? Yes, great, my dear children. Now, you will take your SR book, SR 19, page number 62. I will give you 5 seconds time. You will open your SR book. I start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you and all opened your SR book. So, past 2 days we learnt about 10 whole words, right? We do not use the letter sounds to read this word, right? Now you will keep your finger or pencil this like how we have to read this word left to right. You also read along with me. Look, look, look. Also, also, also. How. Read along with me, my dear children. How. Same, same. Teeth. Some. Live. Water. Land. Bird. Yeah, great, my dear children. Now, shall we do one activity from this whole words? Yes, now I will show you one CRL. Find the word. See this, here are all mixed some whole words from this. Okay? Just you have to guess where is that whole word. You have to say me. Can you find out the whole word from this? Yeah, great, my dear children. Look, and also. Next. See this. Listen carefully. Which whole word is here? Very good, my dear children. Have, same. Next, listen carefully. What are that? Some teeth. Next, see that? Yeah, very good. Water, live. Next. Great. Land, bird. So, do you understand, my dear children, from this whole words? Are you clear? Now, shall we do one worksheet? Yes. Now, you will open your worksheet number 4, page number 55. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you and all opened your worksheet. See this whole words activity. Question number 1, we will do that. Circle the words you hear. See that you can see a table with words. I will say a whole word. You will find it, my dear children, and also circle it with your pencil. Are you ready? Yes. Also. We're having here. So you have to circle this word. Next. How. Where is that having? Here. So you have to circle that. Next. Same. Here having. Next. Teeth. Where is that? Here. You have to circle this. Next. Some. Where is that having? Can you guess that? Here. You have to circle this. So my dear children, did you circle this page? If you are not complete means complete in your home, my dear children. Yes. Yeah, great my dear children. Next I will teach you a reading and listening comprehension from this session. Shall we read that story? Yesterday we learned some stories, right? We are on animal story. Again we will recap today. You will open your SR book, page number 47, SR 4. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you and all opened your SR book. First I will read this. You also read along with me, okay? We are all animals. We are all animals. Author Namita Goel. Illustrations Girti Benha. Shall we go to the first page? Look at me. I am a boy. Look at us. We are all animals. So from this, who is the character in this page? Boy. Where is the character? Character is the in home. That means settings. What is character doing? Sitting on sofa. Next from this page. Yeah, animals. Right? Where is the characters? Next, the characters are doing standing. Right? Yes. Next page, SR5. I have eyes. They help me see. From this, who is the character? Boy. Where is the setting? Where is the character? Park or garden. What is this boy doing? Character doing? Seeing. Next page, we also have eyes. They help us see. Right? Who is the character from this page? Animal. Where is the character? Forest. What they are doing? Seeing. Next page. I have ears. They help me hear. Right? Who is the character? Boy. Where is the character? Home. What is the character doing? Hearing. Right? Next. See this. We also have ears. They help us hear. Then, who is the character from this page? Animals. Where is the character? Forest. What the character is doing? Hearing. Right? Next page. Once again. Next page, my dear children. You also read along with me. I have a nose. It helps me breathe. Who is the character from this page? Boy. Where is he sitting? Forest like that. What is the character doing? Breathing. Right? Next. We also have a nose. It helps us breathe. Next. Who is the character? Animals. Where is the characters? Forest. What is the character doing? Breathe. Right? Next. I have teeth. They help me eat. From this page, who is the character? Boy. Right? Next. What is that doing? Eating. Right? Next. We also have teeth. They help us eat. Right? Here character animals. Where is the character? Forest. What they are doing? Eating. Right? Yes. Next page. See that we can do the same thing. Yes, we can. This means we are all animals. From this page, who are all the characters? Boy and animals. Right? Where is the characters? That means settings, park and garden. Right? Yes. Yeah, great my dear children. Shall we see the vocabulary words from this? Hear, breathe, teeth, animals. Now I will show the CRL from your book. Where is that having vocabulary words? Okay. Vocabulary words. Where is that having in your book? You have to touch your finger. Okay. Now I will show the CRL. Hear. Here. Where is that having? You have to touch your finger on your book page number. Breathe. 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 Teeth. Teeth. Are you touch your fingers? Teeth. Animals. 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 Yeah, great, my dear children. Now you will take your worksheet. Worksheet number 2, page number 53. Question number 1. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you and all opened your worksheet. So this one, fill in the table below. Yesterday I gave this. Did you complete that? Now once again I will show you the answer 1 minute. You will see and write that. Okay. If you are completed means no problem. Not complete means you will see and write the answer. Okay. Yeah, great, my dear children. If you are not complete means you will pause this video and then write the answer. Okay. Character, settings and action. So are you clear from this? Character and setting, action. Yeah, great, my dear children. If you are not complete means you will pause the video and then write the answers. Now shall we do that? Now you will take your worksheet number 4, question number 2. Okay. Yeah, now we will do this worksheet. You will take your SR book also. That is helpful to complete this worksheet, my dear children. Circle the correct answer for the each question. Right? Who is the character on page number 3? In your book, Why We Are All Animals page, you have to take that. Who is the character on the page number 3? You will find the answer and say to me, my dear children. Yes. Who is the character in the page number 4? Boy. Who is the character in the page number 3? Boy. Next. Where is the characters on page number 4? Characters எங்க இருந்தாங்க? That means setting. Where is the setting in the page number 4, my dear children? Where is that? Yes, forest. You have to circle this forest. Next, what is the character doing on page number 5? Just see the page number 5. What are the characters doing in the page number 5? What is that boy doing? Yes, dance. What is that boy doing? Dance. So we have to circle the word dance. Great, my dear children. Next, what are the characters doing on page number 8? What are the characters doing on page number 8? See, say that. Yeah, what are the doing? Breathe. Breathe. So you have to circle this word breathe. Great, my dear children. Next, what is the character eating on page number 9? What is the character eating on page number 9? Yes, carrot. What is that? Carrot. Yeah, great, my dear children. So this slide you have to identify that. Who is the character? Where is the character? Then what is the character doing? From this reading and listening comprehension, We Are All Animals story page. Okay. So are you clear, my dear children? So you have to complete this worksheet in your home. Yeah, great, my dear children. Next I will teach you a grammar session. Yesterday we learned about different action words, right? In that story, we are all animals, right? What are the characters doing different actions like look, see, hear and breathe and eat, right? Yes. Do you remember that, my dear children? Yes, what are that? Look, see, hear, breathe and eat. So today we will do an activity which has the both naming and action words. Are you ready? Are you ready to do that activity? Now you will open your worksheet number 5, question number 1 and also crayons box. So this is the worksheet number 5, question number 1. Crayons box also you will take that, my dear children. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. See this, my dear children. Before we are going to do this worksheet, I will show you one CRL. See this, color the naming words in blue and action words in green. So we have to take the blue and green color, okay? The boy sees mountain. From this, which one is the naming word and also which one is the action word we have to identify. See this, boy and mountain are the naming word. Sees is the action word. So we will take the blue color that boy and mountain. Sees is the action word. You have to take the green color and then color this word. Are you clear? Yes. Yeah, great, my dear children. Color the naming words in blue and action words in green. The boy sees a mountain. Here which is a naming word? Boy and mountain. So you will take that. Which color you have to take that? Blue color and then color that. Sees is a action word. You will take the green color and then color this word. Yeah, great, my dear children. Next, shall we see that next one? Yes, the animal is eating. The animal is eating. From this sentence, which has a naming word? Which one? Yes, animal is a naming word. Which color you have to color that? Blue color. Then action word, what is that? Eating. So you have to take the green color and then color this word. Next one, I help my mother. From this, which one is a naming word? Mother. You have to take the blue color and color this. Action word? Yeah, great. Help. So you have to take the green color and then color this word. Next, I hear with my ears. I hear with my ears. From this page, which has a naming word from the sentence? Ears. Next, here is the action word. You have to take the green color and then color this. See this, my dear children. So you have to do this activity in your home. Yeah, great, my dear children. Next, I will teach you a writing and speaking expression skill. Today we read the story, We Are All Animals. We saw how we are all animals and we do the same things, right? Now we will draw on a topic. The topic is what animals can do, right? Shall we draw and label that? What animals can do? Yeah. I am eating. My pet is a dog. I am eating, my dog also eat. So I have to think and draw me and eat picture like that. Then dog and eat. See this. Here one boy eat, right? Next here dog. Dog what doing? This also eat, right? This is the sample drawing. Did you see that, my dear children? Now all of you think and try to remember what you read in the class. Think of the different animals you see near your school or home. What are the different things they do, okay? Yes. Yeah, great, my dear children. So now I hope all of you have decided with what you are going to draw. Open your notebooks, my dear children. Okay, write the topic and then draw. You have learned many different words in your reading and phonics class, right? Now you will draw and label your drawings, okay? Yes. So you have to complete this in your home, my dear children, in your notebook. Yeah, great, my dear children. From today's class, what we learned. Shall we recall that from today's class? Yes. Yeah, from today's class, we learnt about the phonics section and in word families in our SR book. Then whole words, we recap the 10 whole words. Then we did one activity. Then reading and listening comprehension, we are all animal story, we read that. In grammar part, naming words and then action words, we have to differentiate from that. Then writing and speaking expression, we are all animal story, we have to think and draw about related story, right? You have to write your notebook, think and draw, and also you have to complete your today's worksheet in your home. Okay, bye. Thank you. Happy learning. Be safe, my dear children.